Welcome to Star Power. Star Power Television is riveting, inviting you to move into a space of intrigue. We invade your desires for truth, poetics and suspense. Our work thus far has a special modern identity, and in the process, points to stereotypes of difference, which are hidden in the mind. Star Power has found the histories of surrealism to be useful in the rearranging of ideas. Everything we make is placed in the canon of modernist art. Our work takes a critical view of social, political and cultural issues. Often referencing American history, our work explores the varying relationships between popular culture and a vintage lifestyle. Although there may not always be similarities between the different projects, they are linked by recurring common concerns through subject matter. Each project often consists of multiple works, often in a range of different media, grouped around specific themes and meanings. Star Power is an altruistic company, offering an eclectic gathering of concepts, emerging from perhaps the best generation of modern culture. We have absorbed an acute attention to the purest form associated with creativity, subsequently refining our own concepts to emerge. It is the particular objective for Star Power to have every project be a masterpiece, because we love to make consumers happy. Hope you enjoy everything you encounter on Star Power TV.